is the biggest dog in the yard.
Oh, Cole, you gotta figure the dead man. The Undertaker's on his way out here.
He's the Undertaker. Big Evil means business. For the Undertaker Sunday at No Way Out. The Big Show dominated. He was indeed a giant, but the Undertaker got the job done in the end with a triangle choke. The Undertaker adapted. And I was amazed at the way that the 7-foot, 500-pound Big Show dominated the Undertaker for much of the matchup this past Sunday at No Way Out.
You're right, Cole. The Big Show this past Sunday at No Way Out looked like just that, an angry giant.
The Undertaker talked about surviving. The Undertaker talked about adapting to a new style, and the Undertaker did indeed do that Sunday at No Way Out, but not before the Big Show dominated most of that matchup.
Oh man, the Undertaker is constantly changing what he does out here in his yard.
Well, the rumor has it that the A-Train is trying to get the big dog's attention. Well, Sunday, A-Train, you got my attention. And along with my attention come the consequences of your actions. So that means it's time to shut up and fight.
He means business.
And it's simple.
And here we go. The Undertaker has called out the A-Train, and the A-Train is going to oblige. Oh no. It's Paul Heyman
And a microphone.
and that's never a good mix.
Oh. Stand up, pound all over there, please.
Well, look who it is. The self-proclaimed phenom who used an illegal chokehold on my favorite client at No Way Out. Well, for your edification, sir, I have signed and am now the exclusive agent for my own phenom, the A-Train. Just like I am the exclusive agent of the WWE Champion, Kurt Angle. Just like I am the exclusive agent of the WWE Tag Team Champions, Shelton Benjamin and Charlie Haas. And just like I am the exclusive agent of my favorite client, the 7-foot-tall, 500-pound Big Show.
This is not good for the Undertaker. See the Big Show massaging his neck. A message to the Undertaker that you're going to pay for what you did to me Sunday. It's A-Train and Big Show slowly walking to the ring, and Undertaker preparing for a fight.
And the numbers aren't pretty either, Cole. That's two very massive, giant-like human beings, whatever you
he won't back down.
No, he won't.
The Undertaker will take an ass kicking before he backs down. I guarantee you that.
Undertaker might just get an ass kicking. Undertaker's trying to get himself back to the ropes. He can keep his eye on both of these two mammoth-like people.
Well, the Undertaker is in a bad way here. A-Train and Big Show. Big Show into the ring first. A-Train, the 350-pounder from behind, and Undertaker has isolated A-Train for the time being. The 500-pounder into the ring now. Undertaker with the right hand. Undertaker desperately trying to hold off at the pass. Big Show and A-Train.
Look at him throwing those big superballs. Watch your back, don't take it. Oh, there you go. Keep your eye on A-Train.
And Big Show with a big clothesline.
Just a matter of time. Just a matter of time. Time ran out for the dead man.
And Big Show.
Goozle.
Look out. Choke slam to the Undertaker. And the A-Train, the new client of Paul Heyman, looking to make a statement tonight on 350 pounds. Second rope. Crashing into the Undertaker.
First splash right there. Right across the Undertaker's sternum. Setting up the dead man. Oh, man. Back elbow. Right to the face by the Big Show.
Somebody's got to do something about this. Big Show with a steel chair. Undertaker is helpless.
The Big Show has obviously got a bad look in his eye and a big
what
chair.
the hell is the Big Show going to do here? Big Show with it. Wait a minute. Hey, that's Nathan Jones.
Sure as hell is.
Went for the Dorito. Nathan Jones and A-Train thinking better of it. We'll wait for another day to confront the Colossus of Bugger Road.
Wow. If Nathan Jones would have connected with one of those kicks, it would have been explosive.
But what brought Nathan Jones out here? Did he come out here to help the Undertaker? Or did he save the Undertaker for himself?
I don't quite know, but Nathan Jones is standing in the Undertaker's yard, and Big Evil looks fine with it.
Well, coming up later